Hi there! Today I've got a new box opening for you. It's not a new box, but it's new to me. It is the So What box. I did receive this for a review, but let's take a look and see what's inside. This is the So What box for April, and this is a new box to me, not new to the market. And they reached out and asked me if I would want to open a box on my channel, and I said of course I would. So, because it's always fun to see new boxes. Now this is different from quilting boxes. This is a sewing based project box. So they'll have things, I looked on their website, like mug rugs and bags, and I've seen pillows and lots of other projects. So this is not necessarily a quilting box, but a sewing box. So if you like to do things other than quilting, this might be the box for you. I know their plans go anywhere from $33.99 a month to I think it's $39.99 a month, depending on which plan you pick. So you'll have to go on there and see which one is right for you. If you are interested in this box, it would help me out a lot if you would go through my affiliate link down below, and because that just tells them that you saw it here and you like what you saw and you came to sign up through me. So thank you for doing that if you choose to do so. That link will be in the description box below, plus pinned in the first comment down below as well. All right, let's get this open because I am anxious to see what's inside. So I haven't even cut this open yet. I wanted to be surprised. So let's see. Now I do know they include all your fabric and things you need to make whatever project is inside, and a few notions, but other than that, I don't know much about this box. Right on top it says, "Are you ready for this?" And it's got a picture of thread, and it says, "Notice package contains sharp objects and small choking hazards." So good to know if you have little kiddos or pets that might, grab something. So right on top, oh, that's cute. It says, "Hello, sewist. We sincerely hope that you enjoy this collection of grays, neutrals, and white fabrics. Plus, they will work well with any color you might have in your stash. This month's box, you will find a project kit for a heat-resistant curling iron case." Oh, that's perfect. I travel a lot and I take my curling iron, so that would be wonderful. Plus a printable pattern with multiple sizes of these to choose from. Don't forget the project tutorial video is available at the link on the back of the project instruction card, because they do video tutorials for all their projects, which is a great bonus. And there's also a Facebook group for the So What box, which is listed on here as well. So that's great. And it says access more project ideas and tutorials in the members only video vault, and then it gives you a website, which I'm not going to tell you guys, of course. And it says, "Happy sewing, Taylor the Tailor." And Taylor is the one who reached out to me, so thank you, Taylor. Right on top there is this really cute little notepad with sewing notes, and you can like kind of sketch out your project that you're working on and take notes about it. This is really cute. I love little notepads though. I'm a kind of a stationery junkie. So I like that. That's adorable. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Oh, I like this. Okay, so far this box is doing it for me, and so I'm really excited. The fabric says fabrics are 100% cotton. Learn how to use these project label tags, the ribbon, at So What box, and then it gives you a specific place to go to for the video. "We picked these fabrics especially for you this month, and we so hope they will spark your creativity. Plus, enjoy these bonus handmade project tags throughout the month." Okay, so let's get this open. Here's one piece of fabric. They're all very neutral, which I do like neutrals. Even if I don't use it for this project, which I might not, I might pick my own fabrics. These are great to put in my stash because they're nice blenders. And I'm going to get this open. And, okay, so this you have to download the PDF, and there's a link on the back telling us where to go, so I'm not going to show you the back, to get this pattern, but it's to make this curling iron case, which, like I said, I travel, excuse me, I travel a lot lately, so this would be great for me. It says, "What we've sent, pre-cut cotton fabrics," and that's the other thing, is they pre-cut their fabrics for you, which, hello, who doesn't love pre-cut fabrics? Pre-cut insulated heat shield, pre-cut elastic, all-purpose poly thread, pearl head sewing pins, all-purpose 80/20 sewing machine needle, video and written instructions. What you'll also need is your sewing machine, obviously, scissors, iron, and a ruler. Okay, so there's the project this month. Here's the little pins. Those are pretty. Not something I would use probably for sewing typically, but they may work well. And then here are the supplies. Ooh, I like this blue. That's really pretty. Maybe I will use these. Well, they're already pre-cut, so I will use these fabrics. But these ones here I'm going to put in my stash, I think, for something else. Okay, so there's the blue, which looks like it makes the ruffle on the outside. Not sure until I pull the pattern what this little piece is for, but obviously it coordinates with this. And like they said, everything's already cut. So they've already cut the heat resistant shield that you need to put in there, and then all the other fabrics that you need to make this project. So this is all pre-cut. This is pre-cut. And these other pieces are pre-cut. So yay, all I can do is now is download the PDF and sit and sew. So I really like that. It's one thing that a lot of companies are starting to do, and I really appreciate that. Then there's this piece of elastic, which looks like from the case that it's a little loop. And then there's the thread to help you make it. And it's Gutermann thread, and I love Gutermann thread. They make a really good thread. So as far as how do I rate this? I think this is a good value for the money. I am excited about this project. So when there, my honest opinion, because you guys know I always give my honest opinion, is I like this box. So this is only month 1. We'll see where it goes from here. But if every month is as good as this month, I think I'm really going to enjoy this box. I do a lot of quilting. I don't do a lot of other projects. And sometimes when I quilt day after day, it would be nice to throw a smaller project like this in to feel like I'm getting something done. Because as you guys know, quilts take, you know, several days, take longer time. So just to do something smaller like this, I want to get started on this right away. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, so if you are interested in this, go to the Sew What Box website, which I will link down below. Like I said, I have got an affiliate code if you are interested in this box. And if you could click on it, that tells them that you found it here and that you would like to get this box, and that will keep them sending me a box to share with you guys to see if you like it or not. So thanks for watching today. I don't know what else to say about this. I really, really like it. I really do. So I'm excited to try something new. All right, guys, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye. I'm back. So I wanted to show this to you guys because I got really excited after I got off camera and I was looking more at the project, and I wanted to start it right away. So I did. And on the project card, it did say it would take about 40 minutes. It doesn't take 40 minutes. This took me about 20 minutes. So it's really quick and easy, and I really love it. So I thought I'd come back and show you, because I often don't finish projects this quickly because I do, again, a lot of quilting projects and they take a long time to do, but this one was done fast. So I thought I'd show it to you before I forget to show you. So really cute, really fast and easy. I went to the link to get the PDF, and there's also a video tutorial there, like I said, and the tutorial was actually more helpful to me than the pattern was. So that was great that Taylor put the tutorial up there. What would I do differently? Not much. I really like this. The only thing I would probably do differently, and this is probably the quilter in me, is I would have quilted the outside piece, because the outside piece and the Inselbright went together first, and then we added the inside piece. I think this would be really nice with some quilting, some crosshatch quilting, but that's just my personal taste. Other than that, I really love it, and I want to make another one. So the only thing I'm sad about is that I don't have another piece of Inselbright right now, so I can make another one, because I do carry a curling iron and a hot iron, so it would be nice to have, or a straight iron, so it would be nice to have 2 of these. So really excited. I really love this. This is a cord keeper, and this is to hang it. So like if you're in a hotel room, you want to hang it from a hook or something like that, it's great. But I think it's really cute, and I love the way it came out, so I wanted to share with you guys. One last little peek. And like I said, it took about 20 minutes, and I'm not the crafter, I'm a quilter, so if I can do it, you guys can do it. I've never done pleating before. I did some pleating, so this was a lot of fun. All right, guys, I hope you check out the box, and I'll see you next time. Bye!